is a Jamb question. Let us solve it together. How much of magnesium is required to react with 250 cm cube of 0.5 molar HCl? Don't worry about the jargons you see here. I will explain them one by one. So the how much of magnesium they mean is the mass, reacting mass of magnesium, since the answers are in grams. 250 cm cube is a volume. 1 liter means 1000 cm cube. 250 cm cube is quarter of a liter. Quarter liter of hydrochloric acid that has a concentration 0.5 molar. 0.5 molar. M here means concentration in mole per dm cube. So it is the same as 0.5 mole per dm cube. This number 0.5 is how many moles inside 1 dm cube. Remember, 1 liter is 1000 cm cube, and 1000 cm cube is the same thing as 1 dm cube. So they are telling you that 0.5 mole of hydrochloric acid is inside 1 liter, and this information gives us the concentration of hydrochloric acid. It means that in every 1 liter, that is in every 1 dm cube, there is 0.5 mole, and 250 means the real volume of the acid we are talking about. So we have quarter liter of this acid having a concentration of 0.5 mole in every liter. Now, let us go back to the question. Provided the word react is in this question, you must write the equation of reaction. Magnesium reacting with hydrochloric acid, and of course magnesium will attack chlorine here, and we have magnesium chloride plus hydrogen, which will come out as a gas. You can see that chlorine and hydrogen are 2 at the product side, so 2 should be here, right? From this equation, you can see that number of moles of magnesium is 1, only 1 magnesium. But we have 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. This mole fraction is very important because this M means number of mole inside 1 liter, right? So we have 0.5 moles of this acid already. But in reaction, which is the template, there are 2 moles of this acid reacting with 1 mole of magnesium. So we need to state it. 1 mole of magnesium reacts with 2 moles of HCl. But from the information, 0.5 moles of HCl actually reacted. So how many moles of magnesium will react with this? Let's say it is X mole of magnesium would react with 0.5 mole of HCl. We can make a fraction out of this by saying 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 equals 0.5 divided by X, so that we can clear the fraction. 2 times X will give us what? 2X, which is 0.5 times 1, 0.5. X will give us 0.5 divided by 2, and that is 0.25 mole of magnesium. But the question actually wants us to express this mole in mass form. That is why it says how much in grams. Recall that there is a relationship between amount in mole and the amount in gram. We have number of mole equals mass, reacting mass, over molar mass. Now, number of mole of magnesium is 0.25. Now, reacting mass we don't know. Molar mass of magnesium is given in the question, which is 24. 24. Mass times 1 is mass, right? 0.25 times 24 is going to give us 6 grams. This 6 grams is actually inside 1 liter. Let me tell you why. Remember that 0.25 mole reacted with 0.5 mole per dm cube. That is per liter. This one is inside 1 liter. So the number of mole of magnesium that reacted with this one in 1 liter is also inside 1 liter. Now let us express it per 250 cm cube by recognizing the fact that this 6 grams is now inside 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 cm cube. I'm using cm cube because we have 250 cm cube in the question. Now, this 1000 cm cube contains 6 grams of magnesium. Recall that we want to know the amount in gram of magnesium that reacted with this concentration. But this concentration is inside 250 cm cube. Therefore, that amount of magnesium must also be inside 250 cm cube. So, if this amount is inside 1000, 250 cm cube would contain what amount of magnesium? Let's say it is x gram of magnesium. 6 divided by 1000 equals x divided by 250. When you clear the fraction, 1000x equals 250 times 6. 250 times 6. So that x will give us 250 times 6 divided by 1000. So you cancel 1 0, cancel 1 0. 0.25 times 6. 0.25 times 4 is actually 1. Times 2 is actually 0.5. So we have 1.5 grams of magnesium. You can see the answer is there. If you found this video useful, click on like, comment, share the video, follow us and subscribe to my YouTube channel.